Hello students, hope you all are fit and fine. Yes students, today we are going to start our block 12 lesson plan 2. Yes students, and resources for today's class, content book, notebook and workbook, and keywords for today's class is where, place, questions, and agenda as usual, questioning, discussion, activity, worksheet and then homework. Yes students, what is our today's topic? Our today's topic is questions about places. Questions about places. It is clear from the topic only, means what we are going to learn in today's class. We will learn about to ask questions about a place, means we will ask questions about place. Okay students, now tell me, if we want to ask questions about the place, which question word we are using? Right, we use where. Yes, this is the word where which we are using to ask questions about a place. Like, so what is the today's aim? To ask and answer questions about locations with where. Means we will ask questions and answer about locations. Locations means places. जगह के बारे में हम questions पूछेंगे और उसका answer देंगे with the word where, by using the word where. Yes students, now it is action time. My question is, what is one special thing about the place from where you come? Yes, what is one special thing? Yes students, think about it. Well, the special thing about your place from where you come. About my place, I come from Hisar. It is an open area and I live in Haryana. Yes, so this is the special thing about my place, and you can think over yours. Students, now open your content book, page number 20. We Indians. Students, again we will read the story and we will pause after a while to talk about the story. My name is Meenakshi. I come from Tamil Nadu. I speak Tamil. My favorite festival is Pongal. What is your name? What is your name? You all are having your names? I am Ramu Patel. I come from Gujarat. I speak Gujarati. I like to do Garba. I am 7 years old. How old are you? How old are you? Yes, might be 7 or 8. Now the next page. My name is Gulabo. I come from Rajasthan. I like wearing colorful clothes. I enjoy watching puppet shows. I travel by camel. How do you travel? How do you travel? Obviously, you are using the four-wheelers like cars, buses, trains. I come from Bengal. I am Badal Ghosh. I speak Bengali. I like painting and music. I study at Shanti Niketan. Where do you study? Yes, students, now I want to ask some questions. Where does Meenakshi come from? Meenakshi come from Tamil Nadu. Yes, from where she comes? Tamil Nadu. What is the special thing about her? Yes, her festival. Which festival? Pongal. And from where Ramu Patel? From where Ramu Patel comes? Ramu Patel comes from Gujarat. Ramu Patel comes from Gujarat. Yes. Which things he likes to do? He likes to do Garba. So this is the special thing about Gujarat. Means in Gujarat it is played. Next is Gulabo. From where Gulabo belongs to? Gulabo belongs to Rajasthan. And Badal Ghosh, he is from Bengal. So we can write these things. And what is the special thing about Rajasthan which Gulabo tells us in this paragraph? Yes, the puppet show, and she travels by camel. And about Badal Ghosh, yes, he likes to do painting, and I like painting and music also. So yes, Gulabo is from Rajasthan. We can write here Rajasthan. And Badal Ghosh, Bengal. Badal Ghosh is from Bengal. Now the next paragraph. I'm Vitha. I come from Maharashtra. I speak Marathi. Our neighbors in Mumbai are Assamese. They come from Assam. Where do you come from? Yes. From where? Vitha. Vitha is from Maharashtra. And their neighbors, they are from Assam. And they are Assamese. I'm Surinder. I come from Punjab. I speak Punjabi. My friend Amarjit Singh likes Bhangra. Which dance do you like? Okay. From where Surinder belongs to Beta? Yes, Punjab. And what is the special thing does he like? And it is from Punjab only. Yes, Bhangra dance. And Bhangra dance is the famous dance form of Punjab. So here we can write Punjab. I am Neeraj Tripathi. I come from Uttar Pradesh. I speak Hindi. I am learning Urdu from my friend Tariq Beg. What language do you speak? I am Unni Krishnan Nair. I come from Kerala. I speak Malayalam. I am learning Kathakali. My favorite tree is the coconut tree. Which tree do you like best? Yes, students, what is the special thing have you found in this paragraph? Unni Krishnan Nair? Yes, the coconut tree, as these coconut trees are found in Kerala. Yes, and which language does he use to speak? He used Malayalam. My name is Kamala. I come from Karnataka. I speak Kannada. I play the mridangam. Do you play any musical instrument? Bharti is my name. I come from Andhra Pradesh. I speak Telugu. During my summer holidays, I go to Kashmir to visit my friends Salma and Suleiman. Where do you go for your holidays? We are two sisters. We belong to Odisha. We speak Odia. We decorate our walls and floor with finger patterns. Do you have a sister or brother? Yes, students. From where these two sisters belong? Yes, these two sisters belong to Odisha. And what is the special thing about them? Yes, if anything is different. Yes, they decorate their houses, their walls and their floor with finger patterns. We come from different places, but we are all Indians first. Means they all are from different states. Their culture is different. Their dresses are different. Their languages are different. But still, they all are Indian, as they are living only in one country. So they all are Indian. Student, now it is analysis time. Where do you study? Right, usually you are studying in school, but nowadays you are studying at your home because of COVID-19. Where does Badal Ghosh study? Right, Badal Ghosh studies in Shanti Niketan. It is a school. You are also going in school. Where do you come from, students? Where do you come from, students? Your answer may vary. Like I come from Jhajjar. Okay, where do the character of the story come from? There are many characters in the story. Where do they come from? As I told in the story also and in the activity part when we were reading, like some are from Tamil Nadu, like Meenakshi was from Tamil Nadu. Ramu Patel from Gujarat. Gulabo was from Rajasthan and Badal Ghosh was from Bengal, and so on the characters belongs from the different places. Students, now tell me, where do you go for your holidays? Your choices might be different. Like I like to go Simla in my holidays. Where does Bharti go for holidays? Like Bharti goes to Kashmir for holidays. Students, now think about this question. What is the same between the characters in the story and you? And what are the differences between the character and you in the story? Right, student, there are many similarities and many differences between the characters and you. Like Badal Ghosh goes to school, you also go to school. Yes, but and students, you also like to play and any shows like puppet show as Gulabo likes. These are the similarities, and some differences are also there, like they belongs from different places and our places also different. So these are many differences and similarities are there, and you can also find out these differences and similarities. Student, just now I have asked some questions to you. Now tell me what is same in those questions. Like these questions I have asked, and many questions I have asked. I have written on these questions. Where do you study? Where does Badal Ghosh study? Where do you go for study? Where does Bharti go for holidays? What is same in these questions? Where do you study? Where does Badal Ghosh study? Where do you go for holidays? Where does Bharti go for holidays? Yes, students, find out the same thing in these questions. Parents, please pause the video so that they can find out the similarities. Yes, students, what is same, right? This word where. In every questions begin with where. Yes, and what are we asking through this word? We are asking through this word about the place. So this is same in all these questions. What does the word where help us to know? Right, the word where help us to know, to tell about the location of the people and the person and the things. Means if we want to know about the location of the person and about and of anything, then we can use the word where. Students, what will be the question for the answer? The Taj Mahal is in Agra. Right, on your own. Yes, right. Question will be for this answer, where is Taj Mahal? So now it is application time. You will complete S2, which is given on page number 21 in your workbook. Open page number 21 of your workbook. S2, questions about places. Write 3 questions with where. Ask these questions to your friend. Write their answers. Means what will you do? You will write 3 questions by using the word where. You will ask these questions to your friend. Like where are you going? Where do you live? Okay. This is how you will write the questions. Question number 2, then question number 3, and then you will write the answers also. On question number 2, write the questions for given answer. Then what will you do? Here answer is given. The sweets are in the cupboard. You will write the question for this answer. So what is your today's homework? You will write a where question to ask your parents and write the answer they give. Means you will ask a question to your parent, in that question you will use the word where, and then you will write the answer as you will get from your parents. Yes, students, at last it is time for summarization. Yes, students, today we have learned about the use of where to ask and answer the questions about the location by using where. Students, be ready for your next class also, and resources for next class: content book, notebook and workbook. Thank you. Have a nice day.